Hi beautiful, and welcome back to another video. Welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how to apply foundation for beginners, especially if you do have a mattifying foundation. So the first step is to obviously you're going to have to get your shade right, which is fine. Then the second step is to apply in sections. Okay, I like to apply on the cheekbone, reason being that just in case I pick the wrong shade, I can use that as a highlighter. Does that make sense? But you work in sections is basically what I'm trying to say. So I'm just going to blend that in. You can see how much time it takes to blend. So I'm just working in sections. Once I apply, I blend immediately, because there are some foundations that if you apply it all over the face and start blending, it will leave patches because they dry down really quick once they are out of the bottle. Okay, now do not worry, this is exactly her shade. Don't worry, it matches her entire body. Her neck is just the darker part, so I get to match the face with the body. It's going to come together at the end. So what I like to do is to match the face to the body if the neck is darker. So this is I had to leave the real time so you can see. So this is basically what it looks like, me working in sections. I tell you, this foundation is a shade match, do not worry. So I'm blending that in and making sure I blend very well. At this point my hands were already hurting, so if you blend very well. And I forgot to mention, please go in light-handedly as you're tapping, just very light-handed, and it definitely works. Please like my video. Please like my video. A lot of you watch the video but do not like the video. Please go ahead and click the like button. Okay, please do that. Please don't only watch, please like, please subscribe, please comment down below. Even if it's a thumbs up, just give it down in the comment section. Okay, so I made sure to blend one part thoroughly, okay, because this foundation is the base if you want to go further to apply more things, you know. So but if you don't want to apply anything after you're blended thoroughly, if the base is good, you can apply powder and go about your day. I did not apply foundation on the under eyes because we were going for a better look, a more sophisticated and colorful glam, which you will see in our coming video. But this is me making sure the foundation gets to the corner of the nose where the beauty sponge cannot enter. I used a smaller brush to put that in there. So I'm just going to blend that out. You can see how clean the base is. With this you can just apply your powder, draw your brows and apply your lip gloss and go about your day. The base is intact, so you have nothing to worry about because you blended everything very well. Now I have a trick that I want to show you, but first you have to give this video a big thumbs up. Okay, have you subscribed? Have you given a thumbs up? Yes, I know you have. Thank you so much. Yes, so after I'm done blending, I'm going to take my setting spray. Okay, this is just me being extra, I'm blending more. So now I'm going to take my setting spray and spray down this face. Okay, this spray the face before you apply your powder. If you're just going to use this and go out, if you're not going to apply concealer, make sure it is well into the skin, and afterwards dry down the face, apply your powder and you're good to go. So this is what our base looks like. very beautiful. Please make sure to like, comment and subscribe, and until the next video, make sure to stay beautiful. Bye bye.